Hello friends, in this section we will learn about data types. Then first question is that what is data types? Then data types is types of data stored in the variable. Which type of data stored in the variable is called as data types. And in this section we learn primary data types. Primary data types in C language. Primary data types. So there are three types of primary data types. First is that int. That is, int data type is used for storing the integer values. Integer values such as 0 to 9, 0 to 9, and combination of 0 to 9. Such type of values are stored in the int data types. Int is a keywords. So in this integer data types there are three classes, that is int, then short int, and long int. These classes are used for storing the different types of integer values. So we see the different types of integer data types. These are the integer data types, and is the size of data type stored in the memory. The data types int or sign int. Size is 2 byte. 2 byte memory occupy when we use int or sign int. Then unsigned int, it occupies 2 byte. Then short int and signed short int, it occupy 1 byte. Then unsigned short int, it occupy 1 byte. Then long int or signed long int, it occupy 4 byte, and unsigned long int is occupy 4 bytes. Then it depends on integer. So next we see floating. Floating data types. Floating data types is use keywords float for storing floating point values. Floating point values, and there are three types of data types, that is float, it occupy 4 byte memory, 4 byte memory. Then double is occupy 8 byte, and last one is long double, it occupies 10 byte memory. It stores the floating point numbers such as float pi. Float pi is equal to 3.14 for examples. Then next one is third data type is character. Character data types, and it uses char keywords for storing the character values. For storing the character values, char is the keywords which is used for to storing the character values. There are two types, sign and unsigned. Signed char and unsigned char, both occupy 1 byte memory. 1 byte memory. 1 byte memory. For example, char gender is equal to single quote yum. This is the example of character data types. These are the three primary data types used in the C programming languages. And subscribe our channel Logic Computer